Alright guys, so Do It For Dale over here has been driving the step side, and he decided to shred the brakes. Lost the brakes going down the highway. And guys, check this out. I was tapping on this with a screwdriver, and it went right through. You can see daylight through there. So yeah. Alright, but seriously, we got our new revised E50 tune in for the Supra. The first tune, holy crap. If you guys see my last upload on the first tune, the car runs absolutely amazing. So we actually have a revised one now. So the boost is slightly increased. A couple things are changed. So tuner said it should make more power. Now these cars are like torque monsters. The torque output on these cars is just absolutely scary. This is like mid-6 wheel torque and probably like close to 530 wheel horsepower just on an E50 tune with a downpipe. That is absolutely crazy. These are going to be the cars, so you guys wait. But anyways, what I think we're going to have an issue with is the torque. You know, managing that on the launch, like getting traction, because they just put down so much torque. So you want to have a nice even torque curve to hook up and move, rather than just sit there and spin. So we're going to mess with some stuff today, pull some data logs. We're going to test the new E50 tune. We got to go get some more fuel. And then we're going to mess around with the EcuTek. And then we're going to try the 0 to 60 time frames in the tuning platform. We're not going to do the quarter mile. I want to wait for an actual drag strip on that. I don't want to spoil the numbers. I want to have like a nice controlled test rather than try to wing it on the road. But yeah, real excited. Actually not excited for the step side. It's out of commission as of right now, but we'll get to that later on down the road. Let's go. Alright, we're going to try to use the EcuTek and do a 0 to 30, 0 to 60, 0 to 100. There's a lot of traffic. Shouldn't be that much traffic. But we have the performance analyzer on. Never used it. It's the first time using it. We'll see what it's all about. Okay, new run. It's going to be hard getting traction. Let's see what we got. This thing is fast. Did no preparation burnout, nothing. Tires were cold and dirty. I don't know. Like I said, these things are torque monsters. Was he pumped? He was going like this.
He loved it.
He must have heard. So there you can see 0 to 30, 2.34, 0 to 60, 4.32. We were literally spinning the whole time. I think we spun through like first, second, into third. We were just spinning. So we got a tripod in the back and it's vibrating like crazy. We're on a little bit more of a grippy road here. We're gonna try another 60, 0 to 60 time. I'm gonna not leave as hard because it just spins, literally. Wow. I left traction control on that time too. It's so fast, like it's so much fun. I cannot wait to get this car in the drag strip. Alright, so here's a quick overview of that run. 0 to 30, 2.04, 0 to 60, 4.02, which is crap. That's not good. This car, it just spins. I think that it's my driving, honestly. I just spin out, you know. Well, we are on bald tires. We've been roasting these tires. And well, I'm not gonna sit here and make excuses, but I'm gonna keep working on that 0 to 60 time. It's a lot of fun to do. The EcuTek works really good. I think that's pretty accurate. It picks up when the car starts reading, and then, you know, I guess it clocks it at 60. You can also go in and do like they have quarter mile times. They have 60 to 130. Maybe we'll try 60 to 130 because I don't think we'll have a traction issue at already rolling 60. But yeah, they got quarter mile, half mile, and then all your kilometer stuff. I don't know, ton of fun. I gotta learn how to drive the car because it's a torque monster. Maybe we'll send some data logs over, maybe try to get like a flatter torque curve or something, you know, increase power after we already get the launch done. And I mean, I don't know, it's just a learning curve for me, and it's a ton of fun. I love this, I'm pumped. This is great. All right, guys, put the car through some pretty good testing. The thing absolutely takes the abuse. I can't believe it. I'm absolutely pumped. I literally love this car so much. It is so much fun, and I'm so excited to kind of like be a part of pushing the boundaries of the whole A90 platform. I know I've said this like 10 times. I truly think that this car is going to be like the car of the future almost. It's going to be like that car that everyone gets, and it just mods out and makes mad power. I don't know. I'm calling that now. I don't even know what day it is. If I'm wrong, oh well. But yeah, today's day of testing the new revised E50 tune. Absolutely killer. I definitely feel more power. I don't know, we're waiting for the quarantine to be over so we can get on a dyno to actually go through and see what it puts down power wise. I can't wait for the exhaust to get here. Well, the exhaust is ordered. I don't have a shipping tracking number yet, so I don't know when it will be here, but the downpipe just dumping right under the passenger side floorboard is a little too much. It's really cool for racing. I'm sure it, you know, drops the weight. And I'm sure we'll take the full exhaust back off when we go do drag strip type stuff, but you know, daily driving, it's too much. The car sounds sick, high RPMs, sounds like a tractor at idle, but yeah, man, I am super pumped. Today's day of testing that new revised tune was a great day. The thing rips. Having problems finding traction. I'm gonna wait to get a good tire on it to do any, you know, tune revisions, and also I'm just gonna learn how to drive it a little better, you know, learn how to properly launch the car and not spin. But yeah, we're just sitting tight waiting for this Corona thing to end because I don't know, I'm ready to go. I'm super pumped about this car. It is literally so much fun. I'm just letting it cool down and do its thing because we were running it pretty hard. Brett's car is down. He has like a Golf. The thing's jacked up. I don't know what's going on with it. So he's been driving the step side. Blew out the brake line in the step side. So now the step side's down. So I got to go pick him up, drop him off at his house. Not a big deal though. It's close. All right, guys, that's about it for today. I got the camera sitting on like the sketchiest setup right now on the steering wheel on my phone. It could fall at any second. But thanks for tuning into today's video. Hit that subscribe button, join the family. Give this video a thumbs up. If you thought the Supra was sick, it absolutely rips. I cannot wait to get to a drag strip. We got some parts coming for the car. We got the full exhaust, I already told you guys, and we got a surprise coming too. I'm not going to tell you. You got to wait and see. It's going to add a lot of power to the car. And no, it's not a turbo swap. But I'm going to go in here and get some Chipotle. I don't have a mask. I think it's regulated now in Pennsylvania that anywhere you go, you have to have a mask. I'm going to wing it, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace. If I can get out. Wow, camera made it. Surprise. Cool. Sick. Awesome.